Good morning. Welcome to the Professor Dor Show. Here is nearly 8 a.m. Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya. So today I'm going to show you something very interesting. It's called the African clothes washing. You know, here in Africa, wash clothes manually. So the first thing I have to put on is the water. So I have to put on some water here. So I'm putting on the water first. The water is coming from the tap. So we're going to do some hand washing. So that I'm calling it the African clothes washing. Yes. Here in Africa, we don't wash clothes with machines. We just wash using our hands. For the clothes, I want to wash a few clothes. So we have here soap that we are going to use to clean. It's liquid soap. So you take some and put it in the water. Then you add some more water in the other basin. Here we use we're adding more water. So here when you do manual washing of clothes, you put your water there, you fill your water in your basin. Is the bucket, improvised bucket. It was first of all a paint. Now we're using it as a basin for washing water, for washing clothes. So now I want to do some manual washing of clothes. So I have to put my camera in a good place. Hope you can see what to do manually. It's called the African washing of clothes. Here's my camera there. So we're putting in my shirt here. the bucket, in the basin, and be sure that you scrub it well. So here in Africa, everything is manual. There are no machines like in America where you have to put in a machine. Here you do it the African way, African clothes washing. That's why I'm calling it. There you do. Wash, ensure you scrub it very hard. Use strength. Here, everything in Africa is about strength. Where if you are carrying things on your head, it's strength. If you are moving, you walk with your legs. Even our cars, some of them, the lorries, people have to use strength to wash. So you have to wash the shirt very well, in and out, as you can see. Washing, this is African clothes washing. Yes, there are washing machines in Africa, but not everyone can afford them. Only a few, the super rich, who afford this so-called washing machine. Majority of people, even the ones who are in the middle class, wash with their hands. Once you have washed, you put it in the next bucket here. Then you are going to rinse them. Now this is my trouser. You can see the way I'm washing. You have to wash hard. Here in Africa, everything is hard work. Even washing clothes, it's hard. You have to rinse, wash with strength. And you see, most of these days, young men, they pay people to wash their clothes. Maybe they're working or something. So it also creates employment for the young guards in estates. They come and wash for people clothes. So when they wash for people clothes, sometimes the person earns the woman or the lady can be paid $5, 500, just to wash clothes, mop the house for these bachelors or single ladies, bachelors and also single ladies. They pay these people to wash for them clothes. So it's not an industry. If it was now I was doing this for someone else, I'd be getting $5 free in the morning on this Saturday. But now me, I'm washing my own clothes. I save the $5 to pay someone. So I don't know if what you do in your country, how you wash your clothes, how you move on. So this hand wash clothes, you put in, I've used liquid soap, which is usually easily available. It's cheap here in Africa, in Kenya, as opposed to those detergents which are very expensive and are hard on your hands. So many people use this liquid soap, or they can use bar soaps for cleaning. So I'm cleaning my last clothes. I didn't have so many clothes today to wash. Just had a few, but sometimes I usually have very many clothes. Sorry about that. It's called the occurrences of filming. The wind blows over your camera, but we stop. You have to continue. So this is my last t-shirt, washing it very well, scrubbing it using liquid soap and water. And then I'm going to rinse them. And then I'm going to put them on these lines here, So that is the African African cloth washing. So if you like what I've said, this is the Professor Dur show. If you like what I said, send something on the mobile number written down there so that you can support this channel and it grows. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri ya kuonana.